Hey y'all, I am in front of your house this week in Whitestone Estates out in Parker, which is Plano ISD, and I wanted to show you what has been done since the last time we were out here. I'm all the way tucked in by your front door right now because it is super windy outside and it looks like the sky could give out at any moment and start raining. So I'm gonna stay protected where I'm at, but I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see what's going on in the front of your house, and then we'll walk inside. Okay, so check this out. They've got form boards up. They are about to put the rebar in so that they can get your flat work poured. That means driveways and your front walk all the way up. That is so cool. So I bet the next time we come out here, that'll be poured. So real quick, for those of you that are watching that might be interested in buying out here, straight over there, they're getting ready for phase 3. It's not ready yet, the end of this year. But if you're interested, give me a call. Okay, let's go check this out. So your hardwood floors, same condition as they have been, right? They are going to be stained here soon, but that's more towards the end, which we are rapidly approaching. So we have our formal dining to the left. And then coming into the great room and kitchen, I want you to notice, look what's in your countertops. Ooh, pretty. Gorgeous quartz countertops. And this is a film on top of it, but that is so pretty. My gosh. And check that out. You got backsplash. What? Oh, that looks good. I love it. So pretty. And you can kind of tell that's got a texture to it. Oh, that's really pretty. And then I'm going to turn around and show you your fireplace has also got tile. It's beautiful little black brick pattern. It's really, really pretty. And then there's your 3-car garage. You can see the flat work will be poured all the way there and down the drive. We come into the laundry room, tile, beautiful. I can't remember if the cabinets were painted last time or not. So they have not done the mud bench painting yet, but it is installed, so that's cool. Gorgeous. I love this living room. If y'all can see, that is begging for a beam. I hope you guys put one up. It'd be so pretty. Okay. Over here, this is the master. Beautiful tall ceilings. Oh my goodness, look. I love it. Oh wow, this tile. Oh my goodness. Into the shower. Ooh, and the tub surround. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then just a countertop here. I don't know if that's quartz or if that is marble. I think that's quartz. But yeah, wow, that shower's amazing. So pretty. Got a little honeycomb white tile for the floor. And then your master closet has been painted and rods installed. Nice. So you've got all of this hanging all the way around. You got some cubbies for shoes and whatnot. And then it even goes up to seasonal hanging at the top. So that's cool. Lots of space in this closet. Oh, I'm in love with this tile. That is gorgeous. Wow. All right. Let's go check out the secondary bathroom, see what that tile looks like. So they painted all the trim work and stuff, and the walls are painted. Yeah, you see how they've, well, I guess that's the outside that's all taped up. Oh, they're getting ready to extend your patio out too. So there's the rebar I was talking to you about. It was out there, it's just not set. So if they do that, it kind of helps the flat work stay in place. Oh, that's a really nice extended patio. And this patio is already massive, but yeah, that is awesome. So for those of you who are watching, these are all on acre lots. Absolutely beautiful. And so yeah, this up here has not been painted yet, so it looks like they're getting ready to come out here and paint the trim. So, all right. Off to the secondary bedrooms. Okay, we've got beautiful tiles installed. Oh my gosh, I like this tile too. That's cool. It's a wood look tile. I like it. I like the pattern they laid that in. They've got it on the walls too. Nice. And then they also have that honeycomb tile on the floor, but this is a larger pattern than what's in the master. Really like that. And then you have a really cool closet tucked away in here. Rods are in. Love that. They're gonna fix that door right there. I know that's a little wonky, but they'll fix it. And across the way here, we have another bathroom. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna move in here and you guys can stay in Nebraska, okay? Oh wow, look at the tile on the wall too. That's cool. Wow, very pretty. Really like that. And then of course the countertop. And that cabinet's a little wonky too, but no worries, it'll get fixed. And of course, another secondary bedroom, number 2 of 3. Not too much to really show in here. Nothing's really been changed since last time, but I'm really digging the black doors. These black interior doors are really cool. Okay, going back out. Oh, your kitchen. I love your kitchen. Wow, wow, wow. Yep, your double ovens will go in here. Oh, more beautiful countertops and backsplash. Awesome. And then my pantry is right over here. Nothing has changed in here. They haven't stocked it with food. They really should start doing that. That'd be cool, right? Okay. Bathtub is still there, soon to be installed. Stay tuned. Maybe the next video it will be where it should be. All right, this is just a closet. Storage closet. And another one, coat closet. And then the last secondary bedroom. More beautiful tall vaulted ceilings. And oh yeah, look at that. Love that black honeycomb tile all the way into the shower. Oh, and there's that beautiful tile again that was in the master. Oh, so pretty. I love that. And so all the sinks are white. And then this bathroom also has a closet inside. Rods are hung on one side anyway. Missing rods on that side, but they'll be there next time. I'm not worried about it. Wow, this is really looking good, y'all. Really looking good. So pretty. All right, y'all, that concludes the tour for this week. Your house is slowly but surely coming together and it's looking fabulous. I absolutely love the design elements that the builder chose. This was an inventory home for those of you that are watching, so my buyers were not able to choose the finish out, but it's absolutely spectacular. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And of course, if you need anything at all, please call, text, or email me. And if this is your first time tuning in, if you're interested in moving to the area, or you just have questions, I would love to be able to help you find your next home. So feel free to give me a call or email, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. God bless. Bye.